Hello and welcome to the National Weather Service in Raleigh's weekly briefing covering the week of February 21st through February 28th. Getting started, we've got a bit of a weather roller coaster on tap this week as we'll see conditions. Temperatures rising well above normal for the next couple of days, then dipping back below normal by Wednesday evening and Thursday, and then rising again well above normal perhaps on Friday, before dipping back below normal over the weekend. We've got a cold front over the central U.S. that'll slowly make its way towards the area by midweek. There are some showers over the southern U.S., Alabama, Mississippi area that'll make a run for North Carolina late tonight, but will mostly fall apart. We could see some light rain in the western Piedmont around the Winston-Salem area, maybe as far east as Greensboro or Burlington overnight, but we generally think that's going to remain in the mountains tonight and early tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see conditions, as I mentioned, temperatures rising well above normal into the 60s and 70s with southerly wind gusts of up to 25 to 30 miles per hour before the cold front finally kind of moves into the area and rain chances pick up tomorrow night and into Wednesday. Don't expect a complete washout or heavy rain, but we do expect that to be a period where the chances of rain will be high. The cold front will sink south into the area, perhaps even south of the area on by Thursday, and so temperatures should drop back to near normal or maybe even below normal in the 50s and 60s. Before it lifts back to the north on Friday, not shown here specifically, but temperatures on Friday are expected to be well into the 70s. We may even see some lower 80s in the southeastern portions of our area before that front finally swings through the area on Friday and Saturday, with temperatures dropping back below normal or near or below normal on Saturday. And then another chance of rain comes in on Sunday. A lot of uncertainty with this one in terms of how much it would be and whether or not there could be a few snowflakes mixed in with the rain across northern areas. Right now, it doesn't look like we'll have enough support from cold air from the north for there to be any wintry precipitation, but we won't completely rule it out, but it's just not something that we're terribly concerned about at the moment. So again, a roller coaster in terms of temperature and rainfall for the upcoming week. Here are a look at the rainfall totals over the next several days. Again, some light rain out in the western Piedmont and in the mountains tonight. That should spread east by Tuesday night into Wednesday. Not a lot of heavy rain, but certainly most areas should see at least a little bit around midweek. That front that creates that precipitation will lift back to the north, and so a period of Thursday and Friday could be dry for a large portion of the area, although our counties closer to the Virginia border may still see some periods of rain late Thursday and into Friday before that finally pushes through the area, and then another round of precipitation on Sunday. Our rainfall totals are generally heaviest in the western Piedmont, the northern Piedmont, where we could see up to an inch over the course of the next 7 days, with lesser amounts closer to a quarter of an inch as you head into the Piedmont and the coastal plains. So by no means a washout for the entire week, but certainly chances of rain will be there several times. We can't rule out a thunderstorm Thursday or Friday when we're the warmest and the cold front is moving into the area, but we think that will be very, very isolated and no severe weather is expected. While areas of the Tennessee Valley and portions of the Midwest are receiving a heavy rain this week, we think east of the mountains, while we'll see up to an inch in the western Piedmont, we think that'll be spread out over 7 days and no flash flooding is expected. Here's a look at the latest drought monitor. I believe we briefed this last week, but conditions have been improving since late January when we saw some severe drought in certain areas. We've seen some rainfall that's helped conditions, but I will mention that our stream flows have dipped back to around normal, even below normal in a lot of areas. And so if we don't see sustained periods of rainfall over the next several weeks, we will be watching to see if drought redevelops heading into the warmer months. And finally, a look beyond the next 7 days into the next couple of weeks, and we are expecting above normal temperatures on the whole out through really the end of the month, and then chances of rain will be greatest out west of the mountains, but at least some chance of unsettled weather over the next couple of weeks. So finally, again, a weather roller coaster, up and down in terms of temperatures. It'll be nice a few of the days, and folks should enjoy the weather, but we'll also see rain chances, Tuesday night into Wednesday, and again Thursday, Friday, and perhaps on Sunday again. Not a washout, but rainfall totals the next 7 days, we could see up to an inch in western areas with lesser amounts as you head to the east. That'll wrap up our Monday weekly briefing. Thank you for joining us.